the detailed classroom view. To view more information on a classroom, click on the class you'd like to view from the My Classes page. This will bring you to a much more detailed view of your classroom. This page might be overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's easy once you know what you're looking at. Starting at the top left corner, there is a button to go back to the My Classes page. Next, moving down the page, is the classroom's name and subject. If we zoom back out and look at the right-hand side of the page, you will see the class code section. Within this section are two buttons. First, hover over the code and click. This will bring up a medium-sized modal with the classroom's code printed in it. But if this is not large enough for your students to see, there is another button in the bottom right-hand corner of the modal. Click it. It will show a very large modal of your classroom's code. To close this modal, click either the X in the upper right-hand corner or any of the grayed out area. The second button in the classroom code section is labeled Copy Code. If you click this button, the code of the current classroom you are viewing will be copied to your clipboard. This means you can go anywhere and simply paste the copied code. Next, in this detailed classroom view, there are three cards with information about the classroom. First, the one on the left shows the total number of students in the classroom. Next, the average level completed by everyone, including teachers in the classroom. And lastly, on the right is the average time played by everyone in the classroom. This also includes teachers. Below these cards is a Smart Table. This table displays every user who is a part of a classroom. This includes both teachers and students. Each column of the table can be sorted in ascending or descending order. The table is also searchable by using the search bar in the top right. I will now explain what data is shown in each column starting from left to right. Role states whether you're a teacher or a student. Username/email displays the username of students and the email of teachers. Next is last login. This shows the time and date of when a student last logged into their portal on our website. Total time is how long a user has played PsyOps. If a user has never played the game, it will say never logged in. Note, time is shown in the format hours:minutes. To the right is levels completed. This shows the progress of a user in PsyOps. The next two columns are actions teachers can use to manage students in their classroom. The first button is used to update a password of a student. To do this, click the button in the Update Password column. This will then bring up a modal. Within this modal, enter a new password for the student. Then, verify you typed in the password correctly by re-entering the password in the Verify Password field. After this, fill out the CAPTCHA with the correct letters and/or numbers. Once all of this is complete, click the button labeled Change. If you click the Change Password button by mistake, or do not wish to change a student's password, click either the X in the top right-hand corner or the Cancel button at the bottom of the modal. The final column is used to remove a student from your classroom. To do this, click the button in the Remove Student column. This will bring up a confirmation window prompting if you truly want to remove this student from this classroom. If you do, click the Yes button. Otherwise, click the X in the upper right-hand corner or No at the bottom. Finally, the last two cards on this page. The left card can be clicked to edit a classroom's information. When clicked, it will bring up an Edit Classroom modal. Here, you can edit a classroom's name, period, subject, start and end dates, and its associated color. If you wish to make any adjustments to your classroom, you can do so here. Once you've made your edits and you wish to save them, click the Submit button in the bottom right of the modal. If you change your mind and do not wish to save your edits, just click either the X in the upper right-hand corner of the modal or the Cancel button at the bottom. If you made any changes to your classroom, the web page will automatically refresh and show the changes you made. And at last, the final card. This card is used to permanently delete your classroom. If this is something you wish to do, click the Delete Classroom card. It will bring up a confirmation modal asking if you really want to delete this classroom. Note, if you delete a classroom with students in it, and it is the only classroom they are in, these students will lose access to play PsyOps. If you still want to delete this classroom, click the Yes button. If you do not want to delete this classroom, either click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the screen or the No button below. If you did delete a classroom, then you will be sent back to the My Classes page. Otherwise, you will still be on the detailed classroom view. That's it, a complete overview of teachers' classrooms. If you have any more questions, check out our other tutorials or the FAQ page on our website. If you still have not found the answer to your question, feel free to send an email to support@plasma.games. Have a great day.